Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to block adult websites and content on ChatGPT Atlas web browser. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. ChatGPT Atlas web browser is a new entry from OpenAI and it is based on Google's Chromium project. That means the user interface and everything will be almost similar to Google Chrome browser. If you are worried about someone in your office or home accessing the adult websites accidentally, then we can try to restrict them on our Atlas browser. To do that, first we have to open the Atlas browser and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Then we have to go to settings. We will get this pop-up here. Here we have to go to web browsing, and then here we have to go to the security settings. We will get this page. Here we have to scroll down and we will have this DNS provider option. Here we have to select clean browsing family filter. So this clean browsing family filter is a safe DNS provider which helps to block adult websites and any suspicious websites. So we can select this. So that's all we have to do. So after making the DNS changes, if we search for any adult term like this, then we will get like this. Results hidden by safe search. So it will show this information. So that means we have successfully tried to restrict or block adult content on our Atlas web browser. These are the steps to block adult websites and content on ChatGPT Atlas web browser. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.